Hi, and welcome to Lane Linde's how-to video series. In this video, I will show you how to configure an FSI 600 series PROFIsafe encoder into Siemens TIA portal with a safety PLC. To configure a PROFIsafe encoder, a safety PLC is required. Click on the PLC. Yellow flags indicate safety. Make sure F capability is activated. Go to Protection and Security. This example is without any protection. Install GSDML file. Go to Options. Select the directory. Select the GSDML file. Install. Go to Network View. Open Hardware Catalog. Open Other Field Devices. PROFINET I/O. Encoders. Lane Linde PROFINET encoders. Select the FSI 60X. Move it to the project. Assign the device to the I/O controller. Go to Device View. Select FSI 600. Two safety modules and one standard PROFINET module are available. First, add the standard PROFINET module. The PROFINET module is in slot 1. Select Standard Telegram 81. Select the PROFIsafe module version 2.6.1. Select Standard Telegram 36 to get both safe position and safe speed. The safety module is in slot 5. Go to Properties. The IP addresses and device name are defined here. Right-click on the encoder. Assign device name. Update list. Select your device. Assign name. Now the device name and IP address is assigned to the device. The iParameters and F-parameters of PROFIsafe are found in the safety module. Configure the iParameters. Now go to the General F-parameters. The destination address and iParameter (CRC) need to be entered. But first you need to generate them. Open up a web browser. Enter the IP address of the encoder to access its web server. Overview page is accessed without password. Click on Settings. The username is admin. The password is the serial number of the device. Enter the destination address Press Update to set it to the encoder. Go to the Generate iParameter CRC. Fill in the same configuration as in your TIA project. Generate the corresponding checksum. Go back to the project. Enter the destination address assigned to the device. Enter the iParameter CRC. The safety I/O block is auto-generated in the safety project. Create the tags for PROFINET and PROFIsafe module. Create tags for the safety program. Create the function blocks to access safety data. Insert all tags to the watch table. Compile the program. Download the program to the device. Go online. Go to the watch table. The encoder is in safe state.
Acknowledge the reintegration. The encoder now outputs safe position and safe speed. The first 2 bits in the safety status word indicates if safe position and safe speed is valid.
Make a safe preset of position. Enter your desired safe preset position. Set bit to enable preset. Set bit to trigger the preset.
Preset is now performed and position value is changed.
Under support, the error log is found. Remote firmware update is available after login. Four types of factory resets are possible.
Thank you for watching.